What's up, guys? Back at it again. Look at it. ¿Qué estás haciendo? She's cleaning up over there in Nava's area. But what's up, guys? Man, we're here back at it again. We're gonna mess with the V again. All right, so let's we've done quite a bit of stuff to it, blacking out emblems and stuff here and there. Actually, I still have to change out the front one, which is what we're gonna work on today, and the rear one. All right, we're replacing this emblem, which I have here. Got that front emblem. This is a smaller one. Got the rear one. This is it right here. All right, so I think that's the last of it that we need to have everything blacked out. Maybe the door handles. We are gonna work on that. See if you guys I don't know if y'all saw the previous videos, but I replaced that, blacked all this out. Here's the other emblem that I have there. So I blacked out the whole window trim, which was a pain. Hate it. Anyways, so yeah, that's the emblem right here install that I did. You see with the Texas V. All right, so that being said, let's start taking it off. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna replace this emblem back here. This is how it was, like that. All right, it's just double-sided tape on here. So what I used was just this pry tool right here. Just pop it open right there. Pop. Thing pops out. Pop this one. That top piece pops out. You don't need it no more. You can save it, whatever you want to do with it. And then all it is just double-sided tape on there. Now you gotta do is just get it all down, pry it all down. That's it. It's just really on there. That's all it is. You'll see. And then just clean it all up. And what I do to clean all this up, I have a special tool. You're gonna like it. All it is right here, like a little rubber tool. All right, so this tool, you just attach it to the drill. Bam. This is all I use right here. This is super handy. Anyway, attach it to the grill. All right, and then just get down with it, and everything comes off. It doesn't damage anything. Y'all see? Make sure you don't stay in one place. You got to keep on moving it. Yeah, see? Look at that. All right, so let me finish this off and then get the other one ready to install. Yeah, this one was custom made, so that's why it's got a little bit of red. I got it like that with some red in it. All right, guys, so that's cleaned up. Super cleaned up. No, I said episode at the beginning of the video. Chill out. All right. So it's got double-sided tape. You're just gonna put it on there. It's got the little arrow facing up. Everything's cleaned off, and just kind of center it. It's gonna be the fun part right here. Ah! And there it is. All right, just hold it in place. Couple of seconds and should be good. Should be. She's always capping on me. All right, and that's that. What y'all think? Yep, looks good. That's money. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick how to install that emblem. Since I already did the back one, I'm gonna show y'all the front one real quick. All right, so there goes. We got the new one here. This is the old one. So these are just pressed in, but in order to get to them, there's no way to get to it through the front. You could probably break this one off if you don't care for it, the old one. This one right here, see? Y'all have to remove all that. All right, there's no other way out. So this bumper has to come off in order to remove this one, unless y'all just break it off. This is just tabs. That's all it is. I mean, I'd rather just break this off because you're never going to use it again, instead of having to remove the bumper itself. But in my case, I removed it because we're gonna have it painted. All right, so all it is just removing it, bam, wham, bam, and then this one just goes back on there, pressed in. That's simple as it is. You gotta hear the click. That's it. Ooh, that's the final touch right there. Yep, there it is. ¿Qué tal se ve?
Bien.
Bien. Wow. All right.